Hi, today I'm for the Fixer with 13 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's launch the settings app and then scroll down to wallpaper section. Here you'll see the online wallpapers. You can use them if you just use the Wi-Fi and other mobile data. So let's just switch wallpapers to profile, tap to wallpapers, and here we'll see all of our system default wallpapers. Also, if we'll click here to this plus icon, we can use photos from our device gallery, previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. Or also, we can use here the files, file manager, photos, Google Drive. Let's use, for example, photo from our device gallery, or just downloaded one. Just to use this wallpaper, select it, click apply, and set as lock screen. You can use the wallpaper carousel. I don't wanna do that, so I'll tap to don't agree. Let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can make it by another way. Just first you should hold for a while the empty space on our home screen and on the left down corner tap the wallpaper icons. By the same way we can use default wallpapers on our device. So also if you want we can use the online recommended wallpaper. So just to find one from the wallpapers which you will like. For example, I'll use this wallpaper or this one. So just tap to apply, set as lock screen. If you wanna use the wallpaper carousel, so just click to agree or don't agree. Wait a second, now our lock screen wallpaper has applied successfully, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.